Hey, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I wanted to show you how to cook rutabaga fries in the air fryer, or as Brits call them, Swede chips. No matter what you call them, they are delicious. They are a fantastic paleo or Whole30 alternative to your homemade chips and perfect for cooking in the air fryer. Before we dive into this recipe, please note that we've got 1200 plus more kitchen gadget recipes over at RecipeThis.com, including recipes for the air fryer, instant pot, slow cooker, soup maker, bread maker, and many others. So, have you ever had a Swede or a rutabaga, if you call them that, that's been past its best, you've forgotten about it, it needs using up, and you just want a nice, easy recipe idea? Well, this is why rutabaga fries comes in. It's great for using up a whole rutabaga without any real plans for it, and you just want something easy. Plus, they actually taste delicious. And if you've never chopped one before, or you struggle with chopping them, I find the easiest way for me is just to go around the edges like this after chopping the top and the bottom. I suppose it's whatever works best for you. So there's that bit there. You've now got your chopped Swede. And now, chop it down the middle, or closest to, and now you can start making some chips with it. And there you have it, that's a whole Swede or rutabaga chopped up. And look at that, can you believe how much from just one Swede? You know, you can actually make quite a lot of chips from one of these, and it's perfect for when you have one left over that needs using up. So then, extra virgin olive oil, salt, pepper. And then after the salt and pepper and the extra virgin, it's a case of deciding what seasonings you would prefer with it. I love mixed herbs and some oregano as well. A bit more oregano, never have enough oregano. And then mix it all with your hands. Does a much better job than using a spatula or a spoon. And you can always wash them. Just gives you a much better spread of oil and seasoning on your rutabaga fries. And let's say you follow paleo or Whole30, then this is absolutely perfect as a chips or fries alternative. And then once you've mixed them up, they're ready to go in the air fryer. I'm just going to give my hands a quick wipe first, because there's a lot of herbs on there. And then quick tea towel dry and ready to go in. So, I'm using the Cosori air fryer for this recipe. And then just spread them all out, get them in. And then they do tend to be quite long cooking because of the thickness of them and that. So I recommend you start off with a temperature of 160 Celsius, that's 320 Fahrenheit, and a cook time of 12 minutes. Then we can shake them and give them a little longer. And we've beat. So these fries, I've done the first bit of cooking time, I've just shook them. And now I'm just going to give them a quick spray with some extra virgin olive oil, up the cook time, and then just finish them off to get them a little bit crispier. So you want the temperature up to 200 Celsius, that's 400 Fahrenheit, and the cook time all the way down to 4 minutes, and then press start. And we've beat. And oh my, those are what you call veggie fries. Rutabaga or Swede, whatever you call them, absolutely delicious, peeled and then sliced into fries. Great for when you've got one that needs using up and otherwise it's going to be unused. Feed the kids this for tea instead of chips and they'll love it. Well, I have to say I love these. They're one of my favourite vegetable fries for an alternative to the potato fries. And they're absolutely yummy when cooked in the air fryer. The crisp on them is fantastic as well. They're absolutely brilliant. You can do the same with parsnips, courgettes, or as you might call them, zucchini, sweet potato fries, whatever you think, even carrot fries. They're just all fantastic. Cooked in the air fryer in the exact same way that you would do with white potatoes. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.